Hello, welcome to our channel, My Telugu Shop Pickles. Today we are going to discuss about Amazon Route 53. Route 53 is the web service which is provided by Amazon for us, which is highly available and scalable cloud DNS web service. It is designed to give developers and business an extremely reliable and cost effective way to route end user to the internet applications by transforming the domains, for example, www.com into numerical IP domains like 192.2.1 that computers use to connect each other. So when we click on www.example.com in browser, this one will contact DNS will resolve that one, and internet will contact the server, and then end user will connect to the server. So domain name service which routes the user to the particular underlying server or the system. So that is the use of the Route 53. So this Amazon Route 53 is fully compliant with IPv6 as well. So Amazon Route 53 effectively connects user requests to infrastructure running in AWS, such as Amazon EC2 instances, Elastic Load Balancers, or Amazon S3 buckets. So, what it means is all our files which we place either in EC2 instance or S3 bucket can be accessed by end users by using this Route 53 domain. So this Route 53 will help us easily connect with the web web applications by using Route 53 for the end users, and it is also having lot of advantages or benefits. It is highly available and reliable, and it is flexible and also designed for use with other web services, and it is very simple, fast, and cost effective, and it is also secure, scalable, and simply the hybrid cloud. With the Amazon Route 53, we can easily create either dynamic or static websites very easily with the AWS service, which will allow us to create domain, and with the hosted zones which will connect with our servers where we place our web application code, and then the users when the users request with the www.example.com, the user will redirect to the server, that code will be executed and user can see the website easily. So how we can create either static or dynamic website, we can see in coming slides. First, to log in into Amazon Route 53, we need to log in into AWS console as the root user. So I told you or I showed you in previous videos, just go through that how we log in with the root user. After that, once you log in with the root user, you need to go to the service called Route 53, which is available in network and content delivery category, where you need to select the Route 53. So when you come to this, when you click on Route 53, you will come to the screen as shown. Here you will find one option, register domain. Here you can check that, for example, when harinath.com, I need website. So I can check that whether that website is available or not. So if that Harinath domain is available, it will show that options, how much we need to pay per year, and it will also show the other option, for example .com website or .in .us, like that. So based on the demand of the domain, it will show the value. If you select .in or .us kind of website, most of times it will be less amount. But if we select a .com website, it around uh, $14 per year we need to pay. So here, once you register domain, it will take 3 to 4 days for us to get everything for us. So once we register domain, we will be having the hosted zones, and these hosted zones will be created automatically by Amazon Web Services for every domain. For example, if we want to develop one static website, then we can place our HTML files in S3 bucket itself. So AWS will allow us to create two buckets with the domain and subdomain names in S3 bucket, and that S3 bucket can be accessed by using this DNS. So when we configure that one, right, this domain and web domain should have same hosted zones like our www.example.com website. Otherwise, it will not sync. So those two things we need to check. Like hosted zones should be correct, and um, domain name also should be correct. So in left hand side you will see the traffic flow and domains and hosted zones and health check options. So under registered domains you will see all the domains which will connected to or which you created, you can find here. So like this way you can easily create a static website in AWS, and also the dynamic website you can create very easily by using AWS. So I think this Route 53 course will help you guys to create your own website very easily. Thank you guys. Hope this information will helpful for you guys, and please share this information with your friends and family members. Please share our video, and please subscribe to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. Thank you. Bye bye.